of immensely, because the entire movement of the vehicles will be through RFID only. There will be minimal interference of manual this thing. So it will help us tremendously. We have already taken one workshop, how we have understood, CISF has understood how RFID functions. So it will be helping us because we have migrated from manual to automatic system. So this will be certainly helpful for us, and it will reduce the time of waiting time for the vehicle owners, as well as it will be helpful for the owners of the cargo items.
Thanks.
POSCO project.
Yes.
No. Right now we have appointed a consultant who is making all the environment impact studies, which we need to submit to the Department of Environment for the EC purpose. So right now our focus is on that, and we have also requested the state government to give us an encroachment-free land for the project. At least the households in the project footprint those houses need to be relocated. So right now we are focusing on the consultants, that report, to complete the formalities first, and then we'll go and have a discussion with the state government also.